If you want a VPN on your phone today, you usually have to deal with third-party apps. And that means sitting through unskippable ads, hitting restrictive paywalls, or adding more bloatware just to secure your connection. But modern smartphones, whether you use Android or iOS, already have a native VPN capability built directly into their system settings. By routing your connection through this hidden feature, you bypass the App Store entirely. There are no subscriptions to manage, no accounts to create, and zero ads to watch. Mastering this built-in tool takes you from relying on ad-heavy third-party services to fully controlling your device's native privacy infrastructure. Here is exactly how to set it up. Step 1 is sourcing our server credentials. Open your standard mobile browser and navigate to the open-source database at vpngate.net. When you scroll down, you will see a massive list of servers. We need a specific configuration, so uncheck irrelevant boxes, leaving only the L2TP/IPSec option checked. Once refreshed, the database isolates servers compatible with your phone's native settings. To choose the optimal server from this list, look at the right-hand columns. Find the row offering the lowest ping metric paired with the highest speed. When you find a fast server, like one in Japan or the UK, carefully highlight and copy its numerical server address to your clipboard. Locking down this specific L2TP/IPSec server address provides the precise coordinates your device needs to make the native integration work. If you are an Android user, skip digging through menus. Open your Settings application, type VPN into the search bar, and select the menu. Tap the option to add a new VPN profile. You can give it any custom name, but for the VPN type, you must select L2TP/IPSec PSK. Next, locate the server address field and paste the exact text you copied earlier from the vpngate database. Scroll down to the IPSec pre-shared key field. Type entirely in lowercase VPN. A single capital causes failure. Save the profile, then tap your new connection. Enter that exact lowercase word, VPN, into both the username and password fields and connect. By populating those specific fields, your Android device is now a self-sufficient privacy tool, securing your traffic without relying on external software. For iPhone and iPad users, the logic is identical. Open your settings, navigate to General, and scroll down until you find VPN and Device Management. Tap into the VPN menu and select Add VPN Configuration. At the very top, set your connection type specifically to L2TP, and add a quick description so you can identify it later. Below the description, tap the server field and paste the address you secured from the web database. iOS requires a strict triplicate credential. Look at the account, password, and secret fields. To prevent a protocol mismatch, all three must contain the exact same lowercase string, VPN. Tap Done at the top to save your profile. Now, simply flip the new VPN toggle switch from off to on to activate the connection. You have successfully bypassed the App Store. That toggle is now a permanent one-tap privacy shield hardwired directly into your Apple device's native infrastructure. Now that the connection is established, we need to verify its performance using an independent speed test application. On this specific network, the base internet speed clocks in at a steady 50 megabits per second. This gives us a baseline expectation for the test. This chart shows the direct speed comparison. The baseline sits at 50 megabits, and right next to it, the active VPN test holds strong at around 46 megabits per second. This demonstrates that the connection retains an exceptionally high data transfer rate, even when routing securely through a foreign server. Because this is a structural solution, this entire process is a one-time configuration. Whenever you need it, you just hit that native toggle in your settings menu and you are instantly connected. Securing your digital footprint shouldn't require trading your time or data to ad-supported applications. By utilizing the powerful protocols already built into your smartphone, you secure your connection on your own terms.